Hey guys, check out what's new in GrassBlade 2. We added 150 new assets. Now our library has a total of 550 assets. There are 60 new biomes in the library, which adds up to 200 different ecosystems in the total catalog. Discover the 3 new categories. First, we'll add a new grass biome, then we will go in the dead leaves category. We just created a new biome only made from dead leaves. Now you can add up the existing biome and therefore create your own ecosystem compositions. Adjust the scale, the ground push value, and the various sliders of the scattering texture to add a realistic effect to your scene. Now we will choose the Mulch category. It is very easy to add your own unique grounds with wood chops. The wood chips assets are useful to decorate your gardens quickly. The tall grass category is made from various biomes. They are useful to add wild nature in your 3D scenes. We also added new biomes in already existing categories. For example, in the field category, you will see a lot of new biomes dedicated to agricultural environments, such as the hay bale. If the asset looks like a box in your viewport, click on the Select Asset and in the Object menu, open Viewport Display. You can switch to solid view to see the full resolution object. This is not mandatory, of course. In the end, the object will always render in full detail. There are also other fantastic agricultural biomes available, such as the fields of salad, pineapple, rice, tomato, sugarcane, and many more. To conclude this video, here is a tip. When you add a vertex group to paint your particles, it is easy to invert the selection in the header menu within painting mode. Do not forget to add vertices to your mesh. Vertex group are encoded per vertex, so in order to paint, you need to subdivide your mesh in edit mode. GrassBlade 2 is available on the Blender market. It's a great tool for ArcViz, designer and CG artists by B Production, and compatible with Scatter 5. Enjoy!